Yo guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Tanam School, and in today's video, hold on. In today's video, we're gonna be reviewing the Nike Zoom 2000 and see if it's really worth your money. So without too much talking, let's get it.
Niche. Let's get it. Chacola Melo. Whoa.
Okay, first thing first, we're gonna start by unboxing the shoes, you feel me? So, there you go. So one of the things I like about these shoes is that they give me that retro vibe. Do you know what I mean? And yeah, it just has that retro vibe. Like, you know, there's a pair of Reebok, I forgot the name of it, that looks like this as well. Do you know what I mean? It gives me them 90 vibes, but at the same time, it's modern, if you know what I'm trying to say. You see? So yeah, it's got Zoom on one side and 2000 on one side. I like the design. It's like it's original, do you know what I mean? And it's got the Zoom thing on both sides. Yeah. And you get me. See the inside. Yeah, the inside too. All day, every day comfort. Yeah. So yeah. Like you see, when you see these pairs here, like, you know, like this whole, they will catch your eye straight away. Like there's just something about it. Do you know what I mean? There's just something special about it. Like when you see it, you're like, oh, I need me one of these, goddamn. You feel me? Literally, that's the feeling. No cap. On phone now. See, I like the bomb too. It's just different. Like, I just like, you know me, I'm a big fan of like old school. Wait, I think it's gotta just do it. But it's mad because my camera can't actually catch it because it's white. So you lot can't see it. But yeah, so far so good. And I like it as well when the bottom part is kind of robust, because I've had like 720s, even the other Vapor Max and all that. It's good, but I always feel like the bubble could burst at any time. Do you know what I mean? So sometimes I prefer them with not that much bubble. But the bubbles look good on the Vapor Max and that. But sometimes, you know, I've been disappointed, especially with the 720s. So I'm gonna proceed to putting them on. So yeah, let's put them on. So yeah, this is what they look like. This is actually drip, you know, no cap. Like, you know drip when you see it. Do you know what I mean? And you know what's crazy? The inside is so comfortable. Like, it's very, very comfortable. You know, I was thinking, I don't know, man. But I'm sold on this. No cap. They're so comfy, man. I felt like this is the first time, I wear Nike trainers, and I felt like the Air Max type, and I felt like I could go on the run. Because obviously you guys don't know, but I like running in it. I do sprints and normal joggings. The only downside is that I feel like you're limited by the colors. I don't think you can wear these with any bottoms. You know what I mean? It's not like they're fully black or fully white. Do you know what I mean? They're not like Air Forces. This is a mix of black and white. So you have to be very specific with what you wear, choose to wear with it. You know what I'm saying? But except from that, these are the most, so far, they're the most comfortable pair of Nikes that I've ever had, you know. I'm not saying the Pangas, the most beautiful. Actually, they are very beautiful. But then, like, they're actually so comfortable. Like, the main thing I want you guys to get from this is looks and comfortableness. Like, when you put your feet in it, it's so comfortable. Like, I don't know how to explain it. I feel like it's because of this part here that makes it very, you know, feels nice. Feels like I got some loafers on, but the you know what I'm saying, the drip ones. You know what I'm saying? No cap. And I like the little, do you know what I'm saying? This little thing on the side. You give it some Jordan feels. You know what I'm saying? And the little ZM. I mean zoom. Yeah, guys. I would definitely get one of these if I was you. Feel me? I was skeptical, but I'm happy I got them. Yeah. I'll put the link down in the description to them, you feel me? So that you guys can, you know what I'm saying, nice yourselves. So yeah guys, that was my honest review. You know, to be honest, I thought I was gonna have a lot of things to critique about it, but the only thing I can really critique about these shoes is that I don't think you can wear it like with everything. Like, it's not gonna be your everyday shoes, if you know what I'm saying. So except from that, look wise, it looks nice. You can wear it, you can definitely wear that in like rainy seasons or whatever. You can also what was I gonna say? It's also very comfortable inside. So yeah, altogether, I'll give it like a strong 8.5. You feel me? 8.5 out of 10. So yeah, literally, and it's not that expensive too. I think you can get it for like £80. That's $100. I don't know. That's alright. Do you know what I mean? No. $90, do you know what I mean? If I'm not mistaken. But yeah guys, make sure you like, subscribe, share. I would love it. If you like this Nike head tie or this tracksuit, I'll put the link down in the this jumper. I'll put the link down in the description, you feel me? Go check out my other reviews, you know what I mean? Tell me if you like this style of review as well. You know, this style of unboxing I did in the video, you know what I'm saying? You know, I love you guys. Thank you for subscribing and everything. Do you know what I mean? It means a lot. I'm so close to 1,000 subscribers, like, I can't believe it. You know what I mean? Like, there was a point where I had no hope. I lost all hope about like 6 months ago. But you guys, you know what I'm saying? You started watching my things, you know what I mean? Yeah.
I'm from the Brooklyn XAJ. Man, mistake with a pen like JK. True say I ain't